here's the finished look of Cello for her father's birthday party, 50th birthday party. So if you like it, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you!
Hello, everYoutubers! Kamusta kayo? I hope you're doing great because I am doing great. I, together with my hairstylist Reynard, will be doing 2 heads, hair, and traditional makeup for one of my exclusive clients in General Trias, and it's going to be a 5 to 10 minutes ride from our place, and our client will be fetching us. Pero sa ngayon, I'm filming kasi wala pa rin siya. I love that. So, I hope you're excited as much as I am. Are you excited? I'm excited. We are excited. Yeah, oh yeah. Let's get started.
Hi guys! So, na-fetch na kami ng client. We're ready. We're going to, saan ba tayo? Gentry Heights. So, here's my hairstylist, Reynard. And our togging driver. Anak ng client.
She has droopy eyes, so we need to make an illusion as if they are not being dragged down by gravity. Cleansing and applying toner are very essential. So does moisturizing. Now it's time for primer! And since she has redness on her face, color correcting is a must. Green color corrector from Graftobian is highly recommended to cover the redness. Now, let's look for a shade that best suits our client. Now I'm using the RCMA 6-part palette foundation for the base, highlights, and contour. As always, blending is the key for the economy and beyond. I'm gonna highlight the under eye so she'll have that lifted towards the skies vibe. I'm gonna take the RCMA no color powder to set the under eye immediately so that creasing shall be avoided. As said in my first video, I would always prefer to highlight the chin and the T-zone to give an effect that is PAK! Now I'm gonna contour the cheekbones to give depth, the forehead to give shape, and the nose line to make it quite flattering.
Not flat ha, it's flattering. Hey!
I'm gonna take the RCMA no color powder to set everything on its proper places. Good setting of powder would help a lot so that the foundation won't move. Remember, when we say foundation, it means everything. When foundation is life, kilay is lifer! First, I'm gonna fill in the parts where there are no brows using the Nichido brow liner in Chesnut. Next, I'm shaping the brows to give definition. Tip: the tail should always be higher than the base. Watch out for my kilay tutorial video real soon. Now I'm gonna take my spoolie and blend. Then I'll have to repeat the process on the other side and ensure that they are at least identical. Be careful and don't neglect the essence of measuring for the economy and beyond. Y'all think they're good? I also think so. So we move on to the eyeshadow. I got the LA Girl Nude Palette and dust the beige one as highlight. Closer. Boom! Now I'm creating an illusion that her eyes are not being grabbed by the gravity by creating a line towards the tip of the brow. Now I'm gonna spread the pigment towards the inner part of the eye, making that as the crease. Now I'm going to contour the outer corner part to create depth. I grab my Zoeva brushes and Morphe eyeshadow palette, FYI. Then let's blend for the economy and beyond. Using a disposable wand, I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara from Maybelline, New York. Now, I'm applying a very thin liquid eyeliner, still from Maybelline.
Sorry guys, kanina pa umaalog ang video. Sobrang mahangin kasi kila madam. Sorry naman.
I'm not blowing. I mean the false eyelashes for sanitation purposes. Tip: let it dry for 20 to 30 seconds before applying it on. Bedroom voice. Oh yeah.
Sorry, ang hangin talaga eh. Umaalog na naman tuloy.
Pinapahawakan ko muna kay Raynor kasi nga droopy ang mata ni Madam. I'll now powder contour the cheeks, nose line, and forehead para copy talaga si Bess.
Yes, Reynard, may problema tayo.
KEME lang. Now I'm gonna brush the blush to make her blush.
Pang twister.
I now have my Zoeva small angled brush dusted with some peachy eyeshadow and my NYX white jumbo eyeliner on the waterline to make the eye big. Lip liner is one of the hacks to make the kissable lippy shape. Now I'm gonna take my MAC Lippy Inmer. How do you even pronounce that? Oh, before I forgot, let's curl the lashes to the highest level. Now I have here with me my favorite Illuminizer's lash highlighter and just some bunch of shimmer on her cheeks and nose. Brushing off some fallouts and applying finishing powder from Inglot are what I've got for finale. Oh, but of course, setting spray to make the makeup last from L'Oreal's Infallible.
So, nagpahabol si Sir Birthday Boy para pogi daw siya. Say hi, Sir! Hello!
Okay na. Thank you.
Hi guys, so here's our second client, Cello. Say hi, Cello.
Hello po.
So, gagawin na namin yung hair and makeup niya. Sensya na kayo sa mukha ko. Haggard.
So guys, I also have the same process from Prep+Prime to color correcting to base match, etc. Just like what I did to our first client. Hope you can still get to what I actually am doing. Don't worry, I'll be making a video tutorial soon on specific parts, for example the P-Legos, how to contour, etc. and share some hacks and techniques. I'm tired of talking though. Try lang. I love you all, thanks for watching. I forgot to moisturize the lips. I'm so sorry. Hala, naalog na naman. Sorry guys, I just used a DIY clip to clip my phone on my ring light. Really, I'm sorry. Next time I'll be buying tripod or someone who would like to sponsor. Try lang. Disclaimer, I didn't blind my client. Promise! I hope you guys enjoyed watching my vlog / tutorial video and learned something today. Do hit the like button if you liked it, hit the bell button to get notified on my next upload, and please do not forget to subscribe. Till then! Ay, meron pa pala. Now, ladies and gents, presenting the final look of our dearest clients. Wow! Shala! Lakas na kadonya. The gorgeous mother, and of course, the ravishing debutante, Ested daughter. The unika iha. Sayang, isa lang ang babae ni madam. Kung tatlo sana, edi 3 heads tayo. Char! And now, the final look. The mother, the daughter. The mother, the daughter!
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Malo.